chicken is done when it's fully cooked at 165 degrees. But that doesn't mean the chicken wings should just stop at 165 degrees. I implore you to take your chicken wings to 185 degrees, 195 degrees even. I see so many videos where these professional grillers and barbecuers are smoking wings, they're frying wings, they're grilling wings, and they're stopping at 165. If you cook your chicken wings to 185, 195 degrees without burning them, cooking them very carefully, turning them often, saucing them at the right moments, then you're going to have a much better chicken wing that is literally just going to fall right off the bone when you pull it out of your mouth. I prefer my chicken wings grilled. Grilled wings are number one, smoked number two, fried number three. When I get the chance to make chicken wings, I really do want to grill them with fire. And today I'm using the Wildfire 4-in-1 grill, which is a charcoal grill. Now the charcoal sits in the middle of this grill. There's a blower on the back which blows air over the charcoal and into this section. If you were to buy a grill just for one feature alone, this Wild Zone has it. Pizzas in seconds, steaks in minutes, chicken wings in minutes. This thing's awesome. I'm gonna cook my chicken wings here in this zone right here at about 1,000 degrees. And I'm gonna be constantly turning them so that they don't burn. You're gonna see they're gonna get golden brown really quickly. About 155, 160 degrees, that's when I'm gonna begin to sauce them. I'm gonna do two kinds of wings today. I'm going to do some sauced wings, and I'm gonna do some dry rub wings. If you grill them properly with the right kind of sauce or the right kind of dry rub, you're going to knock the socks off of your guests. And I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Now you can see these flames coming down from the bottom. Now we actually don't want that amount of flame, so I'm gonna turn the fan down now that we've got a super hot charcoal bed. Now, just because I am anal, I like to put the wings down all the same side first, just so that I know where I'm at in the cooking process. And get yourself some real chicken wings. Don't get those little wing dings, okay? Now what's cool about this grill is that this fire up above acts just like a broiler, but we're getting the flavor of the charcoal. I'm doing a dry rub. This is Gordon's Cajun Ranch wing dust. Throw some butter in a pan, throw that in there, just mix them up, easy. This isn't my go-to sauce. My go-to sauce, I'll link a recipe in the description, is my dad's wing sauce, which is the best wing sauce on the planet, as the video title says. But in a pinch, this Blues Hog Wild stuff is pretty good. I actually really like their bottled sauces. And let me show you where we're at. It's been about 2 minutes. We're getting nice and golden brown. Just got to turn this around, make sure we're getting even coverage on all the wings. Beautiful stuff right there. They are just sizzling. Look at this one. This one's like, the juice is just like bubbling underneath the skin. Another good part about grilling under the fire is that since wings are really greasy and fatty, that fat doesn't drip down on the flame and have really big flame ups. So some of the meatier parts, we're still 145. Even that one that's really bubbling away, 140. So we got a little bit of ways to go. Turn them one more time, and then we're gonna go ahead and sauce the ones that need sauced. See that crispiness that's building up? That is lovely. I went ahead and turned these ones in the front already, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn these guys, and then we're gonna sauce this other side on these sauced wings. Turn it, and we'll sauce this other side. In our family, we like to sauce our wings multiple times, building layers of flavor on the wings. When the fire hits the sauce, it adds additional flavor to that sauce. Don't believe me? Try it yourself. Now our wings are really starting to take on some beautiful color. These are the sauced wings right here in the front. Give those a turn, put them in the back. These are the unsauced wings in the front. They're in this section now. Seems like a hot section right there. So I'm gonna rotate this wing over to here to get him some more color. Flip them, sauce them again on the other side. This is a labor of love. If you're not willing to love your chicken wings the way I'm loving them, then grilling chicken wings isn't for you, but it should be. Let's give these babies some love, give them a turn. Okay, we're gonna turn them and sauce them again, but let's go ahead and temp them too, just to see where we're at. I'm betting 175-ish, yeah, 173. We're gonna sauce these one more time and they should be good. They smell incredible. Our wings are done. We're gonna put our sauced wings here in this bowl. Okay, and just for good measure, we're gonna give them a little bit more sauce. All right, so I've got our melted butter. Ooh, just add some of that in there. Shake that ranch up. Cajun ranch seasoning, get that nice and dusted. Whoop, a little bit more. And that's what we got right there. Ooh, they're hot. These wings, ooh, goodness, 180 is hot. They just pull right apart. No messing around. They just break, and they're just going to fall right off the bone. So no matter how you like to eat your wings, you want to cook them 185 to 195 degrees. I promise you, you won't regret it. When you do it, comment below this video and let me know how they tasted. Let me know if they fell just right off the bone for you. Obviously, let them cool a little bit before you eat them. Whether you like to eat them with ranch or blue cheese, totally up to you, but cook them to a higher temp. You won't regret it. It just falls right off the bone. You don't even need to try. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Till next time.